Hello, today I will be showing you how to do a smear from a slant tube. We need to begin with disinfecting our work area. I've already done so by using germicide and spraying that over, wiping that down with paper towels, disposing of those paper towels in our biohazardous waste container. While that air dried, I went and washed my hands, applied clean gloves, and a clean lab coat. We'll need to turn our backdoor incinerator on and let that warm up. Taking our slide and our China marker, we will label our initials and the bacteria's initials on the frosted area. If you want to, and optional, you can take a China marker and on the opposite side of the frosted area, you can draw a circle for your target area for the cells. We'll then need to grab our water bottle and drop a single drop into the center of the slide. This will help disperse the cells and give it resolution. I'll demonstrate to you using a pipette and dropping some water. We can now grab our tool, which is the inoculating loop. We'll stick the inoculating loop into our backdoor incinerator for 10 seconds to ensure that we're killing all the bacteria on the loop. We'll let our loop cool for 3 seconds. With our other hand, we will grab our stock culture, which is labeled already. We'll open it up with the same hand as the inoculating loop. We'll then run our stock culture in front of the backdoor incinerator for 3 seconds. We can take our loop and we can stick it into the stock culture, grabbing a clean culture, run it in front of the backdoor incinerator for 3 more seconds, closing that, handling it by the bottom of the tube, and sticking it back into our test tube rack. We are now ready to spread the cells onto the slide. Like so. We can now take our inoculating loop and we can now sterilize it for 10 more seconds. We can now put down our inoculating loop. We will let our slide air dry. Now that it is air dried, we will have to do a heat fixation. We can do so by using a Bunsen burner, like so. With our slide clips, we'll grab it on the frosted side, like so. Faced up, at the level of the flame, we will run it over 1, 2, 3. We don't want to hold it over because that can make it really, really hot. It can also break the glass and it can ruin the shape of the cells. Just licking the bottom, 1, 2, 3. We can now move our Bunsen burner. Now that our slide is properly heat fixed, we can now store it in a slide box. Like so. Now that we are done with our procedure, we can disinfect using germicide, spraying that all over the counter, wiping that down with paper towels, disposing of those paper towels in our biohazardous waste container. We could then remove our lab coat, remove our gloves, and wash our hands.